Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be listening to John Tostanoski. He is the Market Area Technical Placement Specialist for the Central Market Area for Ford Motor Company. John came to OSUIT in Okmulgee, Oklahoma to help us on Ford Day to recruit technicians. John has a passion for recruiting technicians and for Ford Motor Company. He was talking about the Mach E and the technology that is coming from Ford Motor Company on today's vehicles and the need that we have for technicians to be able to learn a highly technical and satisfying career. We'll be right back with John. I help automotive service technicians get jobs at Oklahoma Ford dealers. I'm the Ford Dealers of Oklahoma's technical recruiting liaison. I facilitate and initiate the hiring process. If you or someone you know would like more information, please contact me at 918-928-7433. Email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Now let's get back to it.
And Ford having an electric vehicle lineup, you know, the past is now the present, right? Something that, I should say, you know, what we all thought was the future is happening today. So we thought that this was very futuristic. We never really thought that we would actually get there. Well, guess what? We're here, and now it's normal. People have these cars. There's one right here. They're being sold, and guess what? We're gonna need technicians to work on them. When you guys took a look at the shop in here, you're not looking at vehicles that are of the grease monkey type. That old slang term is no more. The vehicles that we work on within our Ford and Lincoln dealerships are extremely high technology at an extremely high price point. And therefore, there's an opportunity for you to have a high-paying career, right? These vehicles are very expensive and they're very important, and people's lives are on the line. So if you're passionate about repairing automobiles, if you're passionate about advanced technology like this vehicle, then this is a career for you, and we want to be able to share that with you guys.